Chapter 1. The Adventure Begins. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. She loved to explore the woods that surrounded her home. One sunny morning, she decided to venture deeper into the forest than she had ever gone before. Chapter 2. The Mysterious Cave. As Lily wandered through the woods, she stumbled upon a hidden cave. Curiosity piqued, she cautiously entered the dark, damp space. Inside, she discovered ancient drawings on the walls and a faint glimmer at the far end of the cave. Chapter 3. The Glowing Crystal. Lily cautiously approached the glimmer and found a beautiful crystal resting on a pedestal. Without thinking, she reached out and touched it. In an instant, the crystal began to glow brightly, filling the cave with a warm, radiant light. Chapter 4. The Time Travel. Suddenly, Lily felt a strange sensation as the cave started to shimmer around her. When the light faded, she found herself in a different time and place. She was surrounded by towering trees and strange creatures she had never seen before. Chapter 5. Meeting the Locals. As Lily explored this new world, she encountered friendly creatures who welcomed her with open arms. She learned about their customs and traditions, and they taught her their language. She quickly adapted to her new surroundings and made many new friends. Chapter 6. The Great Feast. One day, the creatures invited Lily to a grand feast in her honor. They presented her with a beautiful necklace made from the same glowing crystals she had found in the cave. Overjoyed, Lily realized that she had found a new home in this wondrous place. Chapter 7. The Return Home. Despite her newfound happiness, Lily began to miss her family and her own time. She longed to return to the familiar sights and sounds of her own world. With the help of her new friends, she discovered a way to journey back to her own time. Chapter 8. Reuniting with Family. When Lily returned, she found that no time had passed in her world. Her family was overjoyed to see her, and she excitedly shared her incredible adventure with them. They were amazed by her tale and the magical necklace she had brought back. Chapter 9. Cherishing Memories. Although she was back home, Lily often reminisced about her time in the other world. She treasured the friendships she had made and the memories of the wondrous place she had visited. The glowing necklace served as a constant reminder of her extraordinary journey. Chapter 10. The End of the Beginning. As time passed, Lily continued to explore the woods near her home, but she never found the mysterious cave again. Nevertheless, she knew that the lessons she had learned and the friendships she had forged would stay with her forever, shaping her life in ways she could never have imagined.